Welcome to the comprehensive firefighting course. I'm excited to guide you through essential knowledge for fire safety and response. Let's dive into the world of firefighting and learn how we can protect lives and property together. Course Overview. In this course, we will explore crucial firefighting systems and equipment. Our goals are to understand installation and maintenance protocols and develop effective response strategies. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills needed to tackle fire emergencies confidently. Fire water supply. First, let's talk about fire water supply. A reliable water supply is the backbone of effective firefighting. We'll look at various sources, like municipal systems, tanks, and reservoirs, and discuss the essential flow rates and pressure requirements needed to combat fires efficiently. Fire pump set. Next, we have the fire pump set. These powerful machines come in electric and diesel types, each serving a unique purpose. We'll explore how they function, their operational principles, and the critical maintenance practices required to keep them running smoothly. Fire pump room. Now, let's step into the fire pump room. This space is vital for housing our firefighting equipment. We'll discuss design considerations, including location, accessibility, and safety features, ensuring that this area is always ready for action when emergencies strike. Wet riser. Moving on to wet risers. These systems are essential in high-rise buildings, providing a constant water supply for firefighting. We'll explain how they work and the necessary maintenance and inspection requirements to ensure they function properly during a fire. Fire sprinkler. Fire sprinklers are our next focus. These systems come in various types, including conventional, pre-action, and deluge. We'll break down their components, operation, and installation guidelines, helping you understand how they protect lives and property from fire. Foam water sprinkler system. Foam water sprinkler systems play a crucial role in fire control, especially in situations involving flammable liquids. We'll discuss the different types of foam agents and the design considerations for implementing these systems effectively. Hose reel and hoses. Let's talk about hose reels and hoses. These are our frontline tools in firefighting. We'll cover the various types of hoses, the mechanisms of hose reels, and best practices for deployment, ensuring you're prepared to tackle any fire emergency. Portable fire extinguishers. Portable fire extinguishers are essential tools for immediate fire response. We'll explore the different classes of fire extinguishers, usage guidelines, and the importance of regular inspections and maintenance to keep these vital tools ready for action. Fire blanket. Fire blankets can be lifesavers in emergencies. We'll discuss their function in fire suppression, proper techniques for deployment, and how to store and maintain them to ensure they're effective when needed most. FM200 system. Next, we'll discuss the FM200 system, a clean agent used for fire suppression. We'll highlight its advantages, applications, and the specific installation requirements that ensure it operates effectively in critical environments. Kitchen suppression. Kitchen suppression systems are vital due to the high risk of fires in cooking areas. We'll examine common causes of kitchen fires and the specialized suppression systems designed to combat these threats, along with essential maintenance tips. IT room. In IT environments, fire safety is paramount. We'll explore recommended fire suppression systems for IT rooms, emphasizing the importance of cooling and ventilation in preventing fire hazards. Generator room foam system. Generator rooms pose unique fire risks, and foam suppression systems are essential here. We'll discuss the design of these systems, maintenance practices, and safety considerations to protect this critical area. Firefighting, Basement 3. Basement fires present unique challenges. We'll identify the specific risks associated with firefighting in basements and discuss effective strategies and equipment needed to handle these situations safely. Riser diagram. Understanding riser diagrams is crucial for effective firefighting. We'll explain what these diagrams entail, the components included, and how to read and interpret them, enhancing your situational awareness during emergencies. Slide 18: Pipes and Fittings. Let's dive into pipes and fittings, the arteries of firefighting systems. We'll cover the types of pipes used, the importance of fittings and connections, and the necessary maintenance and inspection tips to ensure reliability. Legends and notes. Fire system documentation is key to understanding our firefighting infrastructure. We'll discuss the importance of legends and common symbols used, and how to create effective legends for clear communication. Standard details. Standard details are essential for ensuring proper installation and compliance. We'll review common practices in fire system design and reference sources for standard details that guide our work. FM200 System Standard Details. Now, let's explore the technical standards for the FM200 system. We'll discuss installation standards, compliance with safety regulations, and the vital documentation and record-keeping requirements. Foam System Standard Details. Finally, we'll look at foam system standards, focusing on design and installation practices. We'll cover key components, maintenance, and testing protocols to ensure effectiveness when it matters most. Thank you for participating in the comprehensive firefighting course. We hope you found it valuable for your community impact. Stay safe and keep expanding your knowledge in fire safety.